Alright guys, here we go. My Trilogy leftover from last night. Thank you guys for your support. Subterfuge box break number 1566. Craig and Sean, thank you guys cleaning up those last teams. I knocked the prices down just to get her out of there so Todd could post. Nick and Jack, Todd, the certified's down to 9 now. And Ed and Jack and Sean and Reef and Tex. And Nick and Chuck and Dingle. And Chuck times 12 with the Ninja. Nick, Ed, Jack, and War Machine. I missed his 5+ in the last break. So I'm going to do it in this one. And if he does a refund or anything, it'll affect the last break, which was playbook. I can't remember. Welcome across the pond, Teodric. Probably just waking up right about now, or it's probably really early still. And Ed and Jack, War Machine, Nick, Linda, more Dingle, and some Jacks. So 12 darts for Chucky. We're going to do a bunch of spins, and we're going to open up the box. And T30, or I keep calling it T30. 11-12 certified is down to 7. I have some stickworks next if you guys want it. Or artifacts. It's up to you. Whatever you guys want. Hey Chuck, taunting you with that 6 again. First pull. Oh, you got a boom sauce A. So that's good. Double 1. Single 15. Double 9. 14. Triple 3. Black diamond's above the single bin price. I can do it. Triple 7. Keep the single bin at a reasonable rate so it doesn't bog down for days. Halfway there for Chuck. Triple 12. 18. Single 4. I'll rock out some on my next multi-turn though. If I can. Single 7. 30's down to 5. Single 9. Anybody wants those 5 teams, remember you get 10 collector points if you got 5 teams of Todd's stuff. And Brian's multi just went live. Long live Panini multi. Double 6. Alright, Chucky, you're done. Nick, you got 5. You're getting a wheel spin. As you notice the dartboard there, we're on 12 for this break. Nick likes Trilogy, you got 5. Retreat. San Jose. So the San Jose is a magnet, Nick. If I recall correctly. There you go. I don't think you've ever won a magnet, have you? It's your first magnet. There we go. Man, give me that one. Hey, Sir Grapefellow cereal. Now, if you got a purple fridge, man, that would look awesome on there. I'm guessing you don't have a purple fridge, all right? All right. Magnet. Ed, you're up. Yeah, not too many people could rock out a purple fridge. Maybe Prince. Detroit. Darts for Ed. Chuck probably has a purple fridge. Single 20. He's going to yell at me for that. Yeah, Jack's got one. Nice to see you back around, Jack. Detroit, again, which is Z single darts. Yeah, the multi's live, 30 left. And, I think 11-12 certified is going to go because it's down to 5. Triple 1 for Jack. And now, War Machine's 5+ wheel spin from the last break. It's been a while since I missed somebody. So slacking. Brian! Detroit! Wow. 3 Detroit spins? And Brian just shows up, so that's really weird. Yeah, you missed trivia. It's War Machine, you get a dart. Double bowl. Patrick would have loved that one. He's been stuck with one bowl left for like 10 years now. Oh, my condolences, buddy. Shopping around this time of year is ridiculous. Alright, guys, so, like I said, 12s for this one. Good luck. No cereals to show. Cereals are on the inside. So, like I just said, Brian's got a multi-up with RA in it. Or, Brian. I know you like RA. Yeah, I don't know. There's people around. Nick just was rocking them out. The answers really fast. It's a robot, man. Trivia robot. Alright, good luck. Autograph. Ah, for the Leafs. There you go. Dingle. Greg McKegg. Level 2 autograph with a $3.99. The top right and the bottom left, a little tiny little bit of bend to them, but they're not too bad. That's going to get you a double 12 for your pile, too. Nice. Yeah, I know, Brian. Those couple late sessions we had there. Oh. Triptych jersey. For Detroit. I knew something's going to happen with Detroit because the wheels spun Detroit 3 times. Nicholas Lidstrom jersey card, red swatch out of, number 8 of 103. 8 of 103. I can honestly say I've never seen that numbering before. Anything out of 103. Here you go, Reef. Thank you, Bill. And you're going to get a single 12 to go with that. This one feels like a acetate, and it is. It's a crystal for the Montreal Canadiens and Aaron, one of the last teams sold. PK Subban, 275. Nice. Thank you, Aaron. Nice to see you back. I missed a couple of my auctions. That's alright. Not mandatory, right? True rookie card. Oh. No, that's not the true rookie card. Level 1 rookie out of $4.99 for War Machine, Brandon Gormley. $4.99. Dark Crystal. No, can't say that I pulled that. Out of 230 for the Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk. Plus 230. That's a pretty good plus minus. Oh, there you go, Reef. 2 hits, 9 packs. Not too bad. This one's still thick. Oh. Once again, I'm wrong. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You know, when it says Go Oilers or something on the bottom, you know it's a short print. Could be a case hit. Going to text. I'm thinking, yes. 49? 15. Woo! Money card. Nice text, and it's not dinged up either. Sweet. Oh, the bottom left is a tiny. Yeah, he's got the Cameron Gauntz type auto. I guess, well, it's a really small sticker, and he had to write Go Oilers on it. So maybe he was just kind of, scrunching it. Pretty sweet hit. That's the third one I pulled. I did the Johnny Hockey out of 15 too, and the Carlson, and now the Draisaitl. So 2 of the 3 big ones. Not bad. Whoa. Number 9 of 30. The San Jose Sharks and Linda. 30 wins, Archer's Urbe. That's a cool card. Only 30 of these, so I obviously haven't pulled this one before. Oh, Linda. That's some weird chipping on just the way it was cut on the right side. A lot of those are like that. Yeah, for sure he is. Oh, got a little brick there. So I'm guessing it's a Trilogy jersey because we got 2 autos already. We'll see. True Rookie, the first one. Hey, you got the Rainbow Dingle out of $7.99 at Greg McKegg. So you need the level 3 now. You'll be all set for the Greg McKegg inserts. Here we go. Triptych. No, it's a puck. Nice. Got a nice box going on here. God, I love hockey cards. So much fun. For Sean and the Dallas Stars. Is it a short printed one? It doesn't look like it. I scribble though. Anyways, Kari Lettinen. Going to Sean. This was one of the reduced teams at the end too. So you did well with that one, buddy. There we go. That's going to get you a double 12 as well. So thank you guys for your support. A very, very solid box of Trilogy there. Draisaitl winning that one by a long shot. So, have a great, enjoy poker tonight, guys. Have a good one.